Hey, it's Andrew Finney, your real estate geek. Today we're going to be chatting about VA loans, and we're going to explain what a VA loan is and give you 7 hot topics about it. If you're active duty or veterans, you'll want to stay tuned. Bill Marin with New American Funding is going to come on next. If you haven't already done so, now is that time to go ahead and like and subscribe. See you on the other side. Bill, thanks for coming by the office today and explaining more to us about what a VA loan is, get them to 7 killer key topics and takeaways that they can use today. So if you're active duty or veteran, this is what you need to know, just a scoop. Come on, Bill, tell us what VA loans are.
Yeah, so guys, the VA loan is really your best option as a veteran. The VA loan is a loan that's backed and guaranteed by the Department of Veterans Affairs. And what that means is that's going to give you some additional abilities to qualify for the loan. It's going to have a lot of other benefits as well. But really, there's 7 takeaways, 7 killer topics like Andrew talked about. And the first one is kind of the obvious one we all know about, right? You can come in with 0% down. You don't have to put a down payment down. I mean, that's probably one of the biggest things is us as veterans. Helps us save money, get into a home for nothing out of pocket.
Heck yeah, that is a killer topic. So appreciate that. What is killer topic 2?
So this is something that not a lot of people know about. This is something that you find out when you're typically into a transaction, so it's awesome you guys are finding out now, but a VA loan, the VA does not allow veterans to pay for certain fees.
They don't?
Yeah, so it's pretty
cool. I believe that one of those things you can't pay for is those little critters in the ground that like to eat bark.
Yeah.
You feel me? We're talking about a termite. So a termite inspection a veteran can't pay.
Correct.
What is another thing that a veteran can't pay?
Escrow fees.
Escrow fees?
Escrow fees. And then our wonderful real estate brokers a lot of times have their fees. It's cool. As a veteran, you do not have to pay for that. You're not able to pay for it.
And I'm glad to pay it for you if you're here in Vegas and you work with me and you're a veteran. I'm glad to go ahead and take care of that on my side. Anyways, so going back to killer topic number 3.
Yeah, so this is one that's really cool is your rates. Your interest rates are going to be bomb. I mean, they're very, very good rates. They're going to be the lowest rates you're going to see in the market for what you're looking for. Typically, they're going to be a good chunk lower than your conventional and right in line with your FHA.
Okay, that is great to know. So then we bring in another round. Killer topic number 4.
Yeah, so this is killer topic number 4 kind of goes in line with the comparing it to FHA rates. The cool thing about VA is you're putting 0% down, right? No down payment. Sometimes you might have to pay for closing costs depending on the deal, but nothing down, and you don't have any mortgage insurance. No mortgage insurance. So it just makes the payment super low.
And mortgage insurance seems to be like, I don't know, it's just a real estate consultant here talking, so I know that your lender math will be a little bit different, but it seems like those mortgage insurance premiums normally like at least a couple $100 a month.
Yeah, so it's a percentage based on the loan amount, so it just depends on how expensive your home is.
But at a minimum, saving us some thousands of dollars here.
A year.
Great.
A year?
Yeah.
God, that's awesome. Okay, so killer topic number 5, Bill.
So killer topic number 5 is you got a little bit more flexible underwriting guidelines. So you can go a little bit higher on your debt to income ratio. They allow for some other things regarding credit deficiencies and things that you can potentially explain and be okay with qualifying for a VA loan. And just really a make sense type of loan.
Okay, cool. So killer topic 6.
Killer topic number 6 is something we talked about in another video, was regarding shorter wait times after, these life-altering, life-changing credit things happen, like bankruptcies, foreclosures, short sales, loan modifications, things like that. Generally across the board, you're looking at 2 years.
2 years across the board. So when we're talking about like seasoning requirements or wait times, as you mentioned, so it's 2 years after specifically a bankruptcy, short sale, foreclosure, right?
Correct, yeah.
From the date of discharge.
Correct.
Okay, important to
in
throw
most
that.
cases, yeah.
In most cases, and it's also important to throw it from the date of discharge. Okay,
Yeah.
So killer topic number 7. You know I love the number 7 because we're here in Las Vegas and 7 is supposed to be a lucky number. Hope it's lucky to you.
Yeah.
So trick us out with killer topic 7.
So this is a really cool one, guys. A lot of people think, oh man, I can only use my VA loan one time and after that I'm done. Well, not the case. So you can actually have 2 VA loans at the same time. Kind of an example of that is, for example, if you're a veteran stationed in, out of state somewhere and you're moving and you currently have a home with your VA loan, you can actually potentially qualify for a subsequent use VA loan to purchase your new property where it is that you're moving. So you can't use it to buy investment properties, but if you're relocating your family or relocating yourself and going to buy another primary home, then you can do that.
Okay,
Yeah,
so it
it's-
almost feels like right there with what you were saying, we should be putting like a little asterisk on the bottom and it reads, "Hey, special disclaimer, you got to meet these requirements, you got to be active duty, you got to be moving in to a different location with your family," right?
Yeah. So and you don't have to be active duty. As Andrew mentioned, it does make it a little bit easier to do that. But one of the biggest differences is when you use a subsequent use. When you use your VA loan, you use a portion of your eligibility that the VA guarantees, and then when you use it the second time, when you currently have your home that you're moving out of, you don't have as much eligibility. So depending on the sales price, you might have to put a little bit of a down payment down, or you just might not be able to go as high and put nothing down.
Okay. Great Professor Bill Marin. Thank you so much, Professor, right? So, obviously there's a lot to do here. Those were 7 killer key topics that you can use today. And if you want to go ahead and get into it a bit more with Bill, Bill's going to tell us how you can contact him now, whether you're here in Las Vegas, California, out of state, whatnot. We're fellow veterans and we're happy to help you out.
Yeah.
So, Bill, go ahead and tell us, if they have a question right now, how to reach you.
So really, guys, the easiest thing is just, pick up the phone, give me a call that number right there. It's my cell phone number, so if I don't answer, I'm usually doing this with Andrew or on the phone or sitting with clients. So leave me a message, shoot me a text message. Or really the easiest thing, because we have to see an application. We got to see a credit report, right? So if you go there to my website, you can look at my reviews. You can also complete the application. Get the application done. It takes about 15 minutes. Then we can look at the credit and we can really see what you got going on.
What's that saying? Geico says, you got Geico, you got Esurance. They say 10 minutes can save you $1,000 or something, right? Well, here in this case, and what we do, 15 minutes can save you thousands of dollars, and it can change your life because you'll be a homeowner. So if you've liked this real estate geekness with some lunar goodness, and you haven't done so already, please go ahead and give us those thumbs up, and like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much, and enjoy an incredible day.